Hi everyone, welcome to MarikaCreations. Today I will share with you 3 quick and easy spring DIYs. But before we get started, I quickly want to mention that this video is part of the Quick and Easy Spring Challenge hosted by Ellie at DIY From House to Home, and also participating apart from me are Sonia at Domestic Diva DIY and Vesna at Vesna TV. I will leave links down in my description to their channels, along with the link to the playlist of this challenge for more spring inspiration. So stay tuned for all this. For my first DIY, I will use this cutting board in the shape of a leaf. Beautiful, I think, got it from my mother, but I need to make a hole up there like that to fit a hanger later on. But first I will paint it. It already has a beautiful green color, but I will use this sort of a grayish, I guess, sort of a mix between a grey and the beige, sort of a warmer tone to it. And I will apply 2 coats to get a really good coverage. The paint has dried, looking good, and now it's time to embellish my piece. And I start out with this burlap ribbon, attach it on the back of my cutting board just with the help of some hot glue. On the top of that burlap ribbon, I will put this lace ribbon, also with some hot glue, attach it on the front and also on the back. And on top of that lace ribbon, I will put the braided jute ribbon. And then I will take some cherry blossom pigs. I have 3 of them. Just cut off the stems so they are the right size. And I will attach them with some hot glue onto those ribbons. I will cover up the end of the stems a little bit so they won't show. And that I will do with some white feathers. And like that, just cut them to size and attach them with a tiny dab of hot glue. And in the center of those feathers, I will attach some cute eggs. Just with some hot glue as well. Like that, 3 of them. If you're new to my channel, hi, I am Marika, and on this channel I do lots of DIYs, thrift flips, trash to treasure, renovation of my home, some pottery, some painting, anything creative really. Please join me, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and join my YouTube family. In between the eggs, I press down some green moss. Now for the hanger, just a jute ribbon that I tie into a loop and then attach in that hole that I made earlier. And on the neck of my cutting board, I will attach some ribbons. Start on the back of my cutting board, just attaching the ribbons that I want to use, a green burlap ribbon and a jute ribbon and a green ribbon with silk leaves on it. It's super cute. And I cross it on the front like that, the first two ribbons, cut them to size, ducktail the ends of the green one like that. And then I just figure out where I want them to go and just put a dab of hot glue so they will stay in place like that. And that's it really for this beautiful spring cutting board. And voila! This is how it turned out. I am so pleased with the result of this creation. I so love the colors and yeah, just love it. What do you think? Tell me. For my second DIY, I will take this glass bowl and make a cute spring display. I have some of my witch hazel that I will use. Try to put it down without snapping it, like that. And I'm all for bird's nest. That's spring to me. And I have this one that I've been given some time ago that I will use. I think it's a coconut shell or something, the base of it. And underneath it I will put some green moss so it will sit steadily. And around that nest I will put my white tulips. Some of them sticking out of the ball and some of them a little further down. And once I'm happy with the number of tulips, I will start with the nest. I will put in some reindeer moss. And I put a little bit on the side in between the tulips as well. And I will also put in some natural fibers and some feathers. And last but not least, some of my eggs. And the last touch, a couple of catkins picks that I just press down on the side in between the tulips. And here it is, looking beautiful, I think. A bright and cheerful moment of spring. For my third and final DIY, I will take those bed springs, or one of them, One is like original rusty one, and the other one is a black one that I have spray painted that I will use for this DIY. I will make a vintage bird's nest, and I just put some burlap ribbon together like you see me do here with some hot glue, so it will fit inside that bed spring. Just glue them together so they will stay in place like that, and then I will take some natural fiber, glue that into place as well. Just glue it around to attach it to the bed spring so it won't move. Cute already, I think. I have some reindeer moss that I will put in place as well, and some white feathers. And for this bird's nest, I will take some of the darker eggs, 3 of them as well. Just like that, attach them with some hot glue. Now I'm making a tag just with some stiffer paper, punch a hole in it and attach a piece of jute twine as the hanger. And then I will take my calligraphy Sharpie, the thinner one, and write a gift of life on it. Then I take a wider Sharpie and just go around the edges of my tag just to distress it a little bit. Do the same on the back of the tag. I could easily stop here, but I will embellish my bird's nest a little bit further, and that I will do with some ribbons. I have some cute vintage ribbon with some music notes on it. Right, will turn into a little bow, and I also have some lace ribbon that I will put together with this other ribbon. Just try to loop them. It doesn't seem to go my way with this little bow. I attach them with a tiny bit of jute twine and then just fluff it up and make it look pretty. And I will let the excess jute twine just hang there for the vintage feel. And I will start with attaching that tag, just loop it around the bed spring, and then I will attach the bow with the help of some hot glue, and I'm done. If you like this video and videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit that like button. It will help my channel to grow, and I can spend more time creating inspirational content for you. My aim is to upload 1 or 2 videos per week. And here we are. This is how it turned out, looking super cute, I think. A vintage feel to it with that burlap, with that lace ribbon and the bed spring as well. So tell me what you think of my quick and easy spring DIYs today. Did you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you want more spring inspiration straight away, just head on over to my description box and hit that link to the playlist of this challenge. Just click and enjoy. Thank you so very much for watching. See you soon again in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.